Hi and welcome to the short tutorials. In this video I will show you how to create shortcut for these streaks on your Snapchat. So process is pretty simple. Watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Snapchat and click a picture. Once you will click a picture, now you have to click on the send to on the right bottom. So once you will click on it, now you will see shortcut button here. So you have to click on the shortcut, and here you have to click on the new shortcut, and from here you have to select the friends you want to add in the shortcut. Once you will select the friend, you have to choose the emoji for your shortcut. Let's suppose I select this, and once I will done, select friend and click on the create shortcut. So this is the procedure to create a shortcut on the Snapchat. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.